Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. This is Elizabeth from BeadyBomBom Creations, and I have a small haul and a project share, and this is from CraftyMeShop. So I made a purchase from her store Facebook group last Friday, I think it was the week before, and I just received it a couple of days ago. So I want to share with you what I picked up. It's a small order, and also I'm going to share with you my first design team project for CraftyMeShop. I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and share with you my little haul. She was selling not only does she sell beautiful trims and laces, but she also sells vintage fabric and you know, shabby fabrics as well, and I always miss out. Someone always beats me to it, but I did find these two, so I went ahead and purchased it. These are fat squares, or yes, they're fat squares. So I got this one. It is so beautiful. It's shabby. It's like a cream color, and it has like a darker pink and lighter pink flowers on it, and it's really beautiful. So I picked up this one, and I also picked it up more of a, I'm not sure if this is like a slate blue but it's a nice vintage looking blue, and it's got the same floral designs on it. It's really, really beautiful. So I picked that. Then I also picked up this beautiful ribbon, embroidered ribbon, and it's like organza type, and it's so gorgeous. Color yellow with sage green leaves. It's just so beautiful. So I got a yard of that. Also, I have one of these in like a sage green color, a light sage green, and she has it in blue. So I thought this was so beautiful. Definitely I will need to cover the threads with glue, so when I do cut this apart, the beading will not come off. So, but it is gorgeous. So I picked up a yard of that. It is so beautiful. And then also I picked up this beautiful CMS trim. Gorgeous. And it's got a double scallop and embroidered flowers on top, and it has like netting in the center. It's just so beautiful. So I picked up a yard of this. Then I found this, she was offering this trim. It's really pretty, and she was showing how she used it, like to decorate a cone, one of those styrofoam cones, to make it like a tree. And it just looks so pretty because of the little fringes in the bottom. But I only picked up a yard because, you know, I'm gonna use this in other projects. So I got that, and then I got this trim. Oh my gosh, this trim is so beautiful. It's great. I think it will look great as a pocket. And it's scalloped. It's like almost like an eyelet trim, but it has this crocheted here, double crochet right here, and then this, and it has embroidery flowers on it, and it's just so beautiful. It's pretty wide. It's about almost, it's actually 3 inches, 3 inches high. So it's really, really pretty. So I got that. Then I got this CMS trim as well, and I got this type of trim in my design team box, and I got it in my design team box. Is like an ecru color, like a beige color, but this one is white, so it's beautiful. So I picked this one up. I got a yard as well. I just love it. It's so beautiful. So I got this one, and then I also got this fabric. It's like a lacy fabric, and it's got embroidery on it. It is so beautiful because it's got this squares all the way around, and then it's got these embroidered flowers, and they're like in pink and a cream color, and then the scallop in the bottom. It is just so beautiful. And this lace is about 5 inches high, so or wide, however you want to say it, but it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, and then I got also this other fabric, and this is like a creamish gold color, but it's not a bright gold. It's like a like a brushed gold. It's very light and it's beautiful, and it's embroidered. It's just got a beautiful design on it. So I got this as well, and you get a yard. Everything is a yard, so that's what I got. I got, you know, you put down in your order how much. She will be having a sale tomorrow. God willing, she'll have a sale tomorrow, and then I will put the link to her Facebook group down below. You join in, you contact Esme right away with your PayPal information and your zip code, and then also when she starts posting the items that is on sale that she's selling, you have to then go in, and if there's a specific quantity that she has available, she'll let you know. But if there's no quantity available, I mean no quantity mentioned, then you're free to post how many you want. So that's how you do it, and then you just wait for her to send you an invoice. She'll either send you an invoice on Sunday, sometimes Sunday, or Monday morning, and then after she sends you the invoice, pay right away, so then she could ship it by the next business day. But then I got this one, and I thought this was so pretty that I could definitely cut apart, because I honestly would not know how to use it as is right here. But I know each and every piece would be definitely used, so I thought these would look really beautiful as little appliques. So so I got this, and so yeah, that's my little haul from CraftyMeShop that I did last week. And yeah, it was last week. It was last week. So yeah, so let me go ahead and share with you my design team project, and I'm so excited to share what I created. Now I love to alter things. That is my first love, is to as far as crafting is to alter things, turning junk into something very beautiful for your home or for storage. I mean, I just love doing that. So I went ahead and I used this paper pad from Prima, and I believe, yeah, this is from Frank Garcia, called My Sweet. I've never seen this paper pad before. If it wasn't because someone shared it on their channel is when I knew about it. And so I found it on Amazon, and so that's all I got, was just a paper pad. And this is actually my second project using this paper pad. So let me go ahead and share with you my project. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and share with you what I used. So I used these trims from my design team box. I saw this one, which I just shared with you from my haul that I got in white. So I used this one. It's like a, you know, the cream color is so beautiful. So I still have a lot left for other projects. So I used this, and I used this beautiful one. I believe it's avocado dyed. It's really pretty. So I used this as well. Oh, definitely I used this beautiful, it's like a bridal applique, and it's so beautiful. So I mean, this is all, I mean, I got a yard, and I have, I don't know, maybe about 24 inches left, or 20, maybe about 20 inches left, or 18 inches. So I used half a yard already, but it's such a beautiful trim. And then I had to use this, and portion of it is beaded, like, and then the rest is not. But I definitely use this trim as well. I cut off a piece. This is all I have left from this gorgeous braided trim. It is so soft. It is so soft. So this is the only piece I have left, and which I will use it somehow. And then I also used this applique. I received 2 of them. In actuality, you could cut it apart and use it in 4 projects. So that's what I did. I cut mine apart, and this is the other half that I have left. So alright, so let me go ahead and share with you what and also I used other items that was in the box that I only received 1 of, and so yeah, and then a couple of things from my stash. So alrighty, this is what I altered. It's a box, a wooden box. It measures, let's see, 6 inches wide, 6 inches long, 4 inches wide, and it is 3 inches, 2 inches thick. So it's 2 inches high, 6 inches long, and then 4 inches wide. So it is so beautiful. I love this box. This box was actually in a kit that I'm a member of. I have a subscription with Donna Girls Designs, and so I receive a monthly subscription from her. So this was last month's subscription for the month of June. So actually June, and it was a box, this box, and she had some little goodies inside. So she also had like a little mini journal that you could do. She created folders and put some paper inside, you know, for a little mini journal. So already, so I used the box and I just altered it my style. And so here you can see it. Well, first of all, I covered it. I removed all the hardware. I removed the hardware and then covered it with paper, and then I put back the hardware. Very simple to do. And then I added the trim right here. So I added the scalloped avocado dye trim. Beautiful. And then here is to finish the rough edges of the trim, I used this beautiful dainty braided trim all the way around. So as you can see, it's finished all the way around, and then I did it again on top. I had enough to go all the way around on top as well. Beautiful. But I did this after I had applied all of this. And then I went ahead and finished it up and put this in here to finish off the rough edges from trimming it. So here, if you see here, let's see, you can see all the bridal applique. So I did it in strips. I glued it in strips, alternating, because as you can see here, it has like little scallops. So I would glue it this way, and then I would twist it this way, and so on, go like that until, and it was like, it's 4 rows of it, and trimmed it. And then on top of that, I went ahead and I placed my applique. I used this one that has all the flowers, the little flowers. So I just applied it here. And then I added some little, from my stash, I added some little rhinestones. If you could see here, I added some little rhinestones on the flowers. And then I added more right here. There was 2 more. And then I went ahead and applied this flower on top, this pink flower. I added it on top. It's so beautiful. I just loved it, and I felt like it needed something in the center. So I added this beautiful bling that was in my design team project that she did give me, I think 2 of them. So I used 1, and what I did is I had a lot of netting all the way around, so I just trimmed off the netting, and after trimming it, I glued it on top. And I just covered, I cover the front and I cover the bottom. So I just love this. It came out so beautiful. I had so much fun doing that. And then I added my pearl and bling trim, my favorite trim, all the way around. And I just love this trim. So then the inside, you open it up, and here is, I went ahead and I did the same thing. I cleaned I added the paper, and I meant to put the floral paper in the bottom and then the green around here, but after cutting everything, yeah, so I just left it as is. But still, I didn't want to keep it empty, so I created a little journal. So here is the journal. This is a clip from my stash, and I actually got this from Temu. So cute, and I actually could do my own. I just need to get these smaller clips right here, but I'm looking at the flower and I think I can make my own, and when I do, I will share with you guys. But it closes the book because it's kind of thick. For it to be a small book, it's a little thick. So the paper that she used from Donna Girls Designs, she included from a different collection. So what I did is I traced it, I removed the tabs, and I used the same collection as for the box to create my little journal. So here I covered it, I wrapped it around with that beautiful scalloped trim, scalloped CSM trim. And then here is that beautiful pink applique right on top. So beautiful, I just love it. And then with this on top, it makes it so beautiful because then it looks like a little cluster. So I just love it. Then here is, you open it up, and here's the inside. This is some tea dyed paper from Jennifer, a trace of sparkle. And then this is some handmade paper that came with this kit. So it's the handmade paper. It's really beautiful. This also came with the kit, and then this also came with the kit, but it's very delicate. It's like burnt paper, and it's very delicate. This is a music sheet that I included, and also the tea dyed paper that I included. And then here's a beautiful sticker that I laid over the music sheet, and you could see a shadow of the hymnal, or the music sheet in the back. And this is a sticker from Temu. And then here's the other side of the music sheet. And then I added a little envelope, and I added a sticker right here that's from Temu. And then it has a little tag right here. You just pull out for more writing. And this came with the kit as well, so I just used it. I thought that was so pretty. So thank you so much. And then here I added a scrap of the dyed paper from Jennifer. Here's another little folder from the paper pad. Then here that's some writing space here, writing space, the tea dyed paper from Jennifer, writing space. Here is the second half of the how you call this, book page. And then here is this handmade paper, and then also the burnt paper from the kits, my hymnal or my music sheet that I put in here. And then I just tied it here. And then these are rub-ons from Temu that I purchased from Temu, a little bird and a butterfly. I just wanted to add some decoration here, and it's so pretty. And here is this is the burnt paper that came in the collection. Here's the other side of the handmade paper, other side of the book page, other side of this tea dyed, and then the folder, and so on. And this is the other half of the envelope. And writing space, a little tag that came in the kits. And then I added another sticker from Temu, and so on. It came out so pretty, and there it is. So yeah, I loved it. I had so much fun working with this, creating this, and crafting. I craft when I can. Since right now I'm taking care of my granddaughter, it's the summer, so activities, or she always wants attention and stuff, and my family too. So in the evenings is when if I don't have any church events or anything like that, then I craft. But yeah, so this is what I created as my first project for CraftyMeShop. So thank you so much for watching. Do check her out on her Facebook group, and also I will be adding down below in the description box all the links out. Subscribe to them. You are going to see so many beautiful projects, and everyone creates differently, and they're all very inspiring. So do check them out, and I will see you next time. Bye.